put my life back where it should belong. And they've always let the past come back, not realizing that it could be wrong. But now I find in you, I had to let it go to make me for a brighter tomorrow. So now I'm leaving yesterday behind and finally empty out my mind to let the memories stay away and think about today. I'm leaving yesterday behind, 'cause now I try to live my life once more the way I did before. Since I know that I never will forget the memories that made my yesterday, I will try not to let it interfere the choices I will make along the way. 'Cause I'm not living in the world of fantasy, I'm here now in the world of reality. So now I'm leaving yesterday behind and finally emptied out my mind to let the memories stay away and think about today. I'm